We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause ARK Aberration has just launched. Well, quickly, just to let you guys know right now, there is a sale through my link in the description down below that you can now get the 10% off promo code Aberration to get off all of your servers. So if you click the link in the description down below to grab your Aberration server, you can get that cheeky discount off. Enjoy the rest of the video. Welcome back, guys, to a brand new video. And yes, that is right. ARK Aberration and Bob's Tall Tales Part 2 is finally here for the game. They have taken so long to finally do it, but it is here. And if you guys do want to get all this information, we're going to be going through the full patch notes right now. Smash that like button for me right now. It means the world to me. And subscribe if you're new around here. And let's dive in to the full post from Studio Wildcard and the full patch notes. Now, the trailer that has been launched is exactly the one that I uploaded earlier. Some people thought that it was going to be the only Bob's Tall Tales trailer, but no, there is only one trailer, and it's the one we have that's on my channel already from about 4 hours ago now, isn't it? It's crazy how long ago that was. So they say strap on your goggles and gear up for an incomparable journey. Oh yeah, can I also tell you guys something? If you're on Steam, and this will also be the same if you're on console, actually. But if you're not getting the update, go to Steam and exit out of Steam completely. You know when it says shutting down Steam? Do that, and so you have to go to like settings, and then like right at the top left corner, and go to exit, and then load Steam back up. And Steam has to do an update, a very small one, and then as soon as you try and load up ARK Survival Ascended, you'll get the update. You just have to reset it. And if you're on console, I would recommend like sort of completely restarting your console to get the update too. So yeah, let's dive into this. Looking forward to the new robot voiced by Alan I can never say it, Tudyk. I'm hoping it's pronounced right. So Steampunk Ascent includes Cosmo, the web-slinging companion, uses its webs and sharp instincts to navigate danger and protect those in need, proving that even the tiniest of hero can wield great power. I feel a bit sad because I feel like my Aberration is going to take ages to download. It's a 60 gigabyte download on Steam, 59 gigabyte, and then I have a problem, right? Can you guys help me? I don't know if it's due to my files or something that I do wrong. I don't know. But pretty much I have to, every time I update ARK Survival Ascended, doesn't matter on my internet speed, I have to patch the game. And it's 150 gigabytes to patch after I've done the update. I don't know if it's due to I've got the files in a different drive, and that means that it's having to repatch itself, or if it's just ARK. Because it's so frustrating. I want to get the content out to you guys as soon as possible. And I finished the update, but I have to reinstall the whole game again. Because it patches. It's so frustrating. So yeah. But anyway, so new steampunk style structures like your own brass-clad workshop. Then fire up your own steam forge for a truly atmospheric experience. A large clock that seems to speed up time. And the Survivor Mate, a trusty robot friend voiced by Alan Tudyk, who can automate various chores. A Zeppelin with a platform to hover the world without a worry. And so much more. You can get yourself ARK Survival Aberration Ascended is now live. And as you can see, wait, have they got the same? They've got the same waking up on Aberration, a derelict malfunction in ARK. That's the same. Have they updated it at all? No, this is exactly the same as the 2017 Aberration. Is this all the same? No, this is definitely new. Is it? Or is this just copied and paste from like all the way that long ago? It is. It literally is. There's this stuff here there's actually no point reading it unless you're new to the game. Because that is just old stuff. But anyway, what's new with this update? So Aberration Lost remastered all legacy Aberration creatures, items, structures, and environment. New creatures is the Yi Ling. Oh, we've got an aberrant oviraptor, aberrant giga, and aberrant Phasalosutrus. New breedable creatures. Wow, the basilisk and the crab are now breedable. New wild babies. The Ravager, the crab, the Featherlight, the Shinehorn, the Glowtail, the Bulb Dog, the roll rat, the aberrant gigantoraptor. Oh, so everything aberrant is now babies as well in the wild. New additions, cinematic lighting mode option added to the PC graphics options, increases lumen lightning quality significantly. Note this is quite an expensive setting to turn on, so we'd only recommend using it for cinematics and photos. That would probably destroy my computer. Oh, here is the 80% upgrade. Right, I've got a video coming out very soon. It's going to be comparing it. So, enabled AMD frame interpolation on all platforms across all hardwares, boosting performance approximately up to 80% on consoles and PC that didn't already have frame gen enabled. I can't wait to try it. The Aberration Ascension fight now awards an element similar to Scorched Earth. To retain the element through Ascension, you will need to store the element in a creature before the Ascension cutscene triggers, so don't forget that. Charged nodes have now transmitter functionality. Reaper King's levels will now scale with a player's level. Wild creatures are now found with various traits, opening up a greater utility and customization for your tames. Added inventory UI support for Survivor Mate functionality. New aberrant ghillie skin. New stone tree platform. New wood cliff platform. Cliff platforms now have 3 sizes, small, medium, and large. Tech sleeping pod can now be placed upright. Wood elevator can now be controlled by the track itself. And structure skins can now be flipped. Previously, if you wanted to change the way a wall skin was facing you, you would have to replace the wall. But now you can just flip through the multi-use. Oh, wow. Also, you can flip the walls vertically, which was not previously possible. Oh, wow. Hide enemy structure cosmetics option in the UI can now be set to none, all tech only and non-tech. The Gigantoraptor feathers can now be utilized by both parents mating, as long as they are 2 different stats. Bobstool Tails cosmetics no longer display in Engram's tab and instead are automatically unlocked when Bobstool Tails is purchased. Oh, we've got some balance changes. Reduce plant species X growth time by 50%. Reduce plant species X damage by from flame arrow damage by 70%. Plant species Z grenades now given a 25-second immunity time of up from 5 seconds. And the Sky Giga health scaling has been reduced by approximately 20%. The Rhino has been nerfed through nerfed so much since it first launched. The Riders will no longer be able to equip weapons while mounted on PvP servers unless they are wall latched. Wow. The Rhino is gone, RIP, but the PvE servers are unaffected. Unofficial servers owners can disable this by using a command. Added a config for the unofficial servers to override the Tesla call placement within caves, and added 2 configs for unofficial server owners to control the Cosmos web weapon ammo. And now, the bug fixes. This is big. So fix babies born as twin/triplets always being identical genders. Fix signs and canvases clipping into the vault mesh. Standardize the lava damage types across the island, the center, and Scorched Earth. Fix the visual issue with the Stego saddle. Fix the visual seam issue on the tech transmitter. Fix the neutered male creatures displaying spade on their HUD instead of neutered. Fix being unable to load the default character body template via the scissors character editor. Fix several creatures that were unable to be pixel painted. Adjusted the text color of some UI elements to improve readability. Fix cannon firing unreliably on a server when placed on a platform saddle. Fixed an issue that prevented fishing when a mirror was placed nearby. Fixed engram level inconsistencies with the metal billboard. Fixed hit markers not displaying correctly when successfully damaging the enemy structures with the Alpha Plura. Adjusted the decor box structure so that it no longer blocks shots or turrets when standing and inside of it. Fixed an issue where the player would retain the tech force field buff after picking up the structure. Fixed an animation inconsistently when rolling on the Dodecarus. Fixed the Pyromane's flame color not displaying correctly when white. Fixed Pyromane having an unintentional higher max level. Fixed fertilized thorny dragon eggs being used for the wrong kibble. Reduced the Mammoth's hitbox to much better match its visual size. Fixed an issue that caused the Achatina paste to disappear when dispositing it all. in a dedicated storage that was set to cementing paste. Fixed an issue that caused creature mating cooldowns to change when transferring to a different server. Fixed inconsistencies with saving and loading allowed engrams in single player. Fixed tech force field not playing its visual effect when powering on in single player. Adjusted some of the voice lines when playing emotes. Fixed a rare issue that caused lights to remain turned on visually when the power is turned off. Fixed the single player issue that sometimes caused creatures to change gender when downloading them. Fixed an issue with vacuum compartments that prevented some structures from being powered. Fixed an issue in the painting UI that caused dye to be consumed when the switching to a different dye. Additionally, when pixel painting a creature allowed changing in the current color by double clicking the dye. Fixed a resource respawning on top of the train tracks that would block the train from traversing. Fixed a visual issue with the chibi RG. Fixed an issue that would cause the camera to get stuck in ADS mode when mounting and dismounting with a weapon. Fixed an issue with the pickaxe model. Fixed missing VFX in various lava pools on the center. Fixed several unintentional rat holes and mesh holes on the center. Fixed several mesh holes on the island. Fixed a client crash. Fixed a client stall in main menu caused by loading cosmetic mods. Fixed several client crashes on PlayStation. And fixed several server crashes. Well, that was big. Then we have the release of everything we've gone through in the last couple of videos. And there you have it. The full update of ARK Aberration Ascended. I can't wait to bring you guys a comparison video on the 80% upgrade. I hope it's big, big stuff. Anyway, let's jump into this. What have they already said? They've identified a client crash on Aberration multiplayer servers for PlayStation. We're aiming to get it fixed out today. This is very impactful for our PlayStation players who are working to resolve it with the highest priority. Anyway, catch you guys in my next video.